On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you the best product that you can promote. I'll also be showing you the traffic source that you can use to make money from home as a complete beginner. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Max Bounty, you can join Digistore24, you can join CPA Build, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join JVZoo, or any affiliate network that you want. You can just join. Once you join, you are going to follow the steps in this video so that you can be making money from home. In this case, we are using Clickbank. So once you create your Clickbank accounts, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. These are categories of products that you can promote. You can see many of them. There are a lot of different categories of products that you can promote. If you want, you can just click right here, all. Once you click on it, you can see the different categories of products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see many of them. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the e-business and e-marketing. You can see it right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is a product that you can promote under the e-business and e-marketing. You can see live chat jobs. This product is one of the trending products under this category. You can see the gravity score is high. You can see right here, this is the commission rate. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. If you want, you can promote this product. There are many of them. If you scroll down, you can see this product right here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. This product, the commission rate is $23.42. If you want, you can promote it. The best part is that it has recurring rebill. You can see $46.18. That is the amount that you are going to make when your referrals buy an upsell product. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see many products that you can promote to earn money under this category. You can see a whole lot of different products. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, paid online writing jobs. This is a product that can help your potential customers to get paid to write online. They can write on social media platform, they can write articles. So what you have to do is that you have to promote it so that your potential visitors can click on it, buy the product. Once they buy it, they are going to get a job online, and you are going to be earning a commission of $135.39. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to promote the product. To promote the product, you have to get to know the affiliate resources that you can use to promote the product. So click right here, affiliate page. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, these are resources that you can use to promote the product. There are a lot of different resources that the product owner has for us that we can use to promote the product. You can see a lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the images. We are going to use some of the images so that we can promote the product. So click right here, product image. Once you click on it, you can see these are images that you can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can download it and then use it to promote the product. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this image right here. To use the image, click right here to download it. Once you click on it, the image is going to open like this. Right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as. Once that is done, you are going to click on save so that you can save your image. Once you have saved your image, you are going to build a landing page. To build a landing page, you are going to search for Google site. Search for Google site. Once you search for Google site, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first link right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Select blank because we want to build a new landing page. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to delete this header. So come right here, click on this basket to delete it. Once you click on it, you can see it has been deleted. So now the next step is that you are going to give a title to your landing page. So just type something like get paid, something like this, or you can type any name that you want. Once you type the name of your landing page, you are going to add some text right here. You want to write the heading of your landing page. So come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to give a catchy title to your landing page so that when people see it, they can be convinced to click on your link. If you want, you can type any catchy title that you want, or you can go back on the product landing page and then copy and paste the text right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, click on the name of the product so that you can see the landing page. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page. Just highlight and copy this text, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your landing page. Once you come back, paste the text right here. As you can see, that has been done. So what you have to do is that you have to rearrange it properly. As you can see, that has been done. So now once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to upload the product image right here. So come right here, click on images. Once you click on images, you are going to select upload. Once you select upload, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the product image, so you can drag it and then center it. You can increase the size of the image, just drag it and then open it, drag it and expand it, drag it and expand it. I think this is okay, or let's expand it. Well, you can drag it and expand it the way you want. As you can see, that has been done. So this is the image of the product. The next step is that you are going to write a call to action. So you can write a call to action at the bottom right here. If you want, you can also insert an image as a call to action. In this case, I'm going to insert an image. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on images. Once you click on images, you are going to click right here, select. Once you click on select, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on Google Images. Once you click on it, you are going to search for the kind of image that you want. In this case, we want apply now button. So just type something like apply now button, something like this, apply now button. Once that is done, you are going to click on search. As you can see, there are a lot of different images that you can select. You can see buy now, apply now, and the rest. In this case, we are going to select the first image right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, it has been selected. Click right here, insert. As you can see, it has been inserted. Drag it and then place it at the center right here. Place it at the center right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now once you have your apply now button, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link into it, so that when people click on it, they can be directed to the product. So you are going to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, you are going to click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, click on create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime people buy the product through this link, you are going to earn a commission. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on your landing page, highlight your image. Once you highlight it, click on this icon, insert link. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, click on apply. Once that is done, your affiliate link has now been inserted into this call to action. So anytime people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Once that is done, you're also going to insert your affiliate link in the image. So just highlight the image. Once you highlight it, you are going to select insert link. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link right here, you are going to click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. So the image is also linked to your affiliate link. So whether your potential visitors click on the image or your call to action, they are going to be directed to the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish your landing page. To publish it, click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you are going to give a web address. You can type any web address that is available. So type something like get paid 123, something like this. That is not available, 123a. Get paid 123a. Once that is available, you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you can see your landing page has been published. Click right here, view, so that you can see your landing page. Once you click on view, you can see this is your landing page. So the next step is that you are going to drive a lot of traffic to this landing page, so that you can get people to click on your call to action and then purchase the product, so that you can be earning money on Clickbank. So I'm going to show you a website that you can use to drive free traffic to this landing page, so that you can be getting people to purchase the product for you to earn a commission. The website that we are going to be using to drive traffic to our landing page is called Listjumper.com. This website has an email list that you can use to grow your business. You can use the email list to drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can use it to drive traffic to any business that you want. In this case, we are going to be using it to drive traffic to our affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account. Just enter your first name right here, your last name here, email address, password, repeat your password. Click right here, I accept the terms and conditions. Once that is done, you are going to click on promote your business now. Once you click on it, you can create your free accounts, and you are going to be using this website to drive traffic to your landing page. Let me just log into my account so that I will show you step by step on what to do. As you can see, let me just log in right here. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see many people are already using the platform to make money. You can see this person is the top achiever today. You can see many of them. So what you have to do is that you have to also begin to use the website so that you can be driving traffic to your landing page. To use the website, what you have to do is that you have to get some credit. You have to get ad credit so that you can also run your ad here for free. For example, if you want to get premium ads credit, you are going to click on any of these ads so that you can earn the credit. For example, let's just click on this ad right here. Once you click on it, you are going to wait for 20 seconds. You can see it is counting. So once it gets to 0 seconds, you are going to earn credit. You can see this product is a Clickbank product that someone is promoting using this same method. You can see the landing page of the product. This product is under the health and fitness category. So if you log in, you can see the product. People are using this same method to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to also take action. You don't have to be skeptical about this method. Go and take action so that you can also be making money. You can see this is a Clickbank product. You can see Clickbank right here. Once you have waited for 20 seconds, you can see congratulations. You have won 26 premium ad credits. So you have earned some credit that you can use to run your ads on this platform. So now what you have to do is that you have to close it. Once you close it, you are going to click on the next ad so that you can earn ad credit. You are going to click on all of them so that you can earn a lot of credit. Once you have earned the credit, the next step is that you are going to run your own ad on this platform. To run an ad, you are going to click right here, Premium Ads. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see we have 169 ad credit that you can use to run ads on this platform. So now what you have to do is that you have to run your ad on this platform. To run an ad, click on this link right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to type the title of your ad right here, your website URL, and then the amount of credit that you want to use. When you come back on the landing page, you can see there is a title right here. Just copy the title on your landing page. Once you copy the title on your landing page, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see that is more than the characters required. So let's delete this. Just delete this. Once you delete it, leave it like this. Make $25 to $30 per hour. It's okay. Once that is done, you are going to paste the website URL right here. This is where you are going to paste your landing page URL. So you are going to come back on your landing page. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and then copy the URL of your landing page. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to enter the number of credit that you want to use. In this case, I want to use 100 credits. Once you have entered the details of your ad, the next step is that you are going to click right here, Save Premium Ad. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your ad. You can see this is your ad. You can see the allocated credits. You have not gotten any clicks or impressions, so you have to wait. Within some hours, you are going to be getting impressions and clicks. Once you get the clicks, many people are going to buy the product for you to earn money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.